to our channel. Just looking at the weather in Sydney, we came up with a brilliant idea. We're gonna make some rain clouds with just 3 ingredients. How does that sound, Ayla?
Good.
Amazing. So we just need one ingredient that most of you might have. A clear glass, clear glass with water. Food coloring, almost everyone has. You can get this at local shops. So let's get started.
There it is. I'm so excited to wait for the rain clouds to look amazing.
We have to get the shaving foam and just cover the water. Don't do too much. So let's pop this open. Shake it very well so the foam can come out. There.
Now let's see how it goes.
Okay? You want some help, Ayla?
Yes, Rohail. My hands are all messy now. Whoa. That looks funny.
We're gonna get some food coloring and put it down in there. I'm gonna choose blue because I personally like blue.
And I would pick red because I love red.
Okay. So I'm gonna get some blue and your red. And let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's put a few drops in there and we'll wait a little. It's going down straight away.
Oh, mine is going down even. Let's have a look.
See, look, the yellow is going in. Look at that over there. It's green. Yellow and blue makes green. Look at the bottom.
Oh my God. Mine is so cool.
What's hers gonna turn into? What does red and green make?
Oh my God, guys, can you believe it?
This is so cool. I know the yellow and blue makes green.
And I know the red and green makes black.
Let's look at the color. What happened there? The red and green just made black. What? I'm sure you guys are going to try this as well. So for you that are new to our channel, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when a brand new video comes out.
I'll see you next time.
Bye! Guys, it's time to get messy with mixing the shaving foam. Let's gonna try it first. Ew!
Look at it. What happened to mine?
It's a booger green.
It's turning the color. Ew, that's gross.
No, I'll say mine. Whoa!
Oh, mine's turning.
Mine looks aqua.
Mine looks like yellow.
Look at the top. It's turquoise.
It's dark yellow.
Look at mine at the top.
Oh.
It's like a minty.
It looks like dark yellow. That's so cool.
And mine looks like a mint smoothie.
Mine looks like a smoothie. Mine looks like a yellow banana smoothie.
If this was edible, I would definitely try this.
I love this. You can even drink it. Yeah, but it's tasty.
If it was edible, yeah.
If it was a dream.